Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Mollen and this is Cook with Mollen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate stripes pancake. So guys, let's get started. So here I have my ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of sugar, 2 medium eggs, a quarter cup of margarine, melted margarine, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of milk, salt, I'm going to use a pinch, then vanilla essence. In my clean bowl, I'm going to add the all-purpose flour, then the quarter cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to take my whisk and mix them together. After mixing them together, I'm going to add the 2 eggs, then quarter cup of melted margarine. You can use unsalted butter, then 1 cup of milk, vanilla essence. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then I'm going to take my whisk and mix them together until everything is well incorporated. Mix well until you have a smooth paste like the one I have, like mine. So this one is ready. So I'll just go ahead and take a small clean bowl and divide the batter the way I'm doing. Then I'm going to take my cocoa butter, the 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter, mix it into the batter. Make sure you mix it well until everything is well incorporated. After that, I'm going to take my clean empty bottle. You can use any bottle. So just make sure you make a hole on the bottle top. So I'm going to take my clean empty bottle and put the batter inside. I'll take my non-stick pan and place it on medium heat. I will highly recommend you use a non-stick pan for the best results. So I'm going to apply butter on the pan to prevent the butter from sticking on the pan. So next I'm going to scoop and place it on the pan, inside the pan, and then I'm going to tilt the pan in a circular motion so that the butter can spread evenly inside the pan. So next I'm going to take my other chocolate butter and make the stripes. Remember, we are making chocolate stripes pancake. It's very simple, guys. Just look. Very simple. Very easy to make. I'm just going to turn it. As you can see, the other part I've cooked. Make sure you put your heat on medium heat. You put your cooker on medium heat so that they won't burn. Continue with the same procedure until you make the last one. So guys, it's just simple as you can see. So you can try it at home for breakfast, for a quick breakfast. Yeah.
Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up desires. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Yeah. Moving through all my feels, you're blurring out my vision. Watching your every smile like your television.
So that is it, guys. This is the final outcome. It's really looking nice and it's very sweet, guys. You can try this at home, make it for your family for breakfast, and they will really love it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and continue watching more videos. So bye bye.